So your name is?
Drusilla. I was diagnosed with triple negative breast cancer and have had 3 surgeries. Pain in my shoulders. My blood pressure was always high.
What was it?
200 plus over 100 plus.
You're lucky to be alive.
Yes.
Why did you come to NuSpecies?
Because a very reputable friend of mine has been introducing me to NuSpecies, and I've been slow and lazy, and I'm maybe like the average human being who does not respond quickly to advice. I dragged my feet, and I realize now that I've started taking your products. Had I started on them, some of the surgeries I had, I would not have to do it.
What surgeries did you have?
The breast cancer.
Okay, tell me about the breast cancer surgery.
Triple negative is the worst form
Of cancer?
Yes, the oncologist calls it the beast. Well, the surgeon who has to be going in all the time cutting, she's so mad at it, she called it the bitch. But the best part of it is that they are hopeful. They know I use herbs. They record every herb I take.
Really?
They do.
So they know about NuSpecies?
They know about NuSpecies. What really has gotten me more attracted and hooked onto having faith in the products you are producing.
The NuSpecies?
Yes, NuSpecies product. Is that you had told me to stick to this diet. I noticed usually when I have eggs, just 1 or 2 per week, I would have to call my doctor up and ask her, because there's an ongoing order on my chart, to fill Isovirus medication because it would put out those
nodules or bumps?
Yes, nodules. I noticed that while taking your cleanse and doing a little LNU, the little one, not even the big one, and your vitamins, that I didn't have to call the doctor to get that prescription filled. I said, well, is this the hook? I said, maybe his product's really worth it. And then when I came in and you drew the line tighter on my diet, I said, wow, I think I want to try all the products that he's trying to give me to stay alive and healthy. But today I went to my doctor and I learned some amazing things about me.
What are they saying?
That my blood pressure is in such good order.
What is it now? It was
110 today, June 8th. 110 over 70.
And it used to be over 200 over 100. That's excellent.
And I'm like, this is even better than when I was in my 16-year-old age group, you know?
Did they take you off the medication?
I have not taken my medication, my high blood pressure medication, because my body has also been conditioned that I've lost weight. In December, I was weighing 194. Today, when I tipped the scale, it was 162.
Wow.
And that has been done without taking all these weight loss products that they have on the market.
And you didn't have to starve yourself, did you?
No. I just follow your real earthly diet.
You did take some products too. You took the detox.
Oh yes.
You took the LNU formula.
LNU. And it was just a little one. Can you imagine if I go ahead and get that big bottle? And guess what? I have a friend is diabetic, and I bought some for them, and they took it, and they have not been running back and forth to their doctor yet. They've been hiding from the doctor.
What is the state of your breast cancer?
It is just impacting the lymph nodes right now. But mind you, it's the most aggressive form. When surgery is done, followed by chemo and radiation, there's no medication that the pharmaceuticals have that can keep you alive after that.
Really?
That's it.
But you're alive now.
5 years going.
So you're gonna win. You're winning this battle, and you're gonna win it.
By God and NuSpecies, I am going to win.